Imagine you wake up in the morning, when you open your computer, when you open your mobile phone, you find all your information is lost. As a business person, when you open your computer, you find all the information of your customers is lost. As an individual, you open your mobile phone, you find your photos, your videos, everything. How do you feel? I'm pretty sure some of you can even collapse, depending on what you deal with. As we move into the world of technology, we should realize that not all people use technology for good. Others use it for bad, by stealing other people's information. In the previous video, we looked at how we can protect data by employing a lot of techniques, which include password, encryption, and many other things. But sometimes you have a password in your computer, but someone can still access your computer far away from you. It doesn't need to have physical access. You may have encryption, but still someone can still get your information. And if someone gets access to your computer, what happens? What next? So in today's presentation, I'm going to give you some of the techniques you can use in order to guard yourself from this danger, which is already happening in the digital world. And that is antivirus. You need to differentiate between a virus and antivirus. A virus meaning you already have it. Once you say, my computer has a virus, my phone has a virus, even you as a human being, when you have a virus, then it means there's nothing to do. You have to what? You have to see if you can be treated, but still there's going to be an impact. So as people are busy trying to see how they can send these viruses to your machines, you need to have what you call antivirus. Antivirus is the program, is a software program which will help you to protect, which will protect your computer, which will protect your mobile phone, which will protect your data from being infected by being damaged by all these viruses which are being sent by bad guys, the hackers. So we have a list of antiviruses you can install, and most of them are found in big stores. If you go in any computer stores and say, I want this software, they will be able to give it to you. One of the antivirus is called Norton. This is a well-known antivirus which provides comprehensive protection against various types of viruses, including viruses, spyware, and ransomware. When you get this antivirus, I assure you, you'll be on a safer side. Then we have McAfee antivirus. The McAfee antivirus offers a range of security products including the software that protect you against the online threats. Even if you are on internet, anything which comes out of internet, maybe they send you a link and then they want you to open the link and then the virus enters. No, when you have McAfee antivirus, it's going to protect you. Then we have a Bit Defender. The Bit Defender antivirus, this one will recognize, or it has the capability to deal with all kinds of protection, including the cyber attacks. And it will also impact the performance of your system. If you have this type of antivirus which is called Bit Defender, remember there are some viruses which will be sent to your machine just for the purpose of slowing your machine. Your machine used to be okay, your computer used to be fast, but now it's slow. Your phone used to be fast, now you try to open, taking a lot of time to open, or even to load a certain app. Those are viruses. But when you have the Bit Defender antivirus, your machine, it will boost the performance of your machine, and it's going to protect you from all the cyber attacks which may come along your way. Then we have Kaspersky antivirus. The Kaspersky antivirus, I think it's common. Many people have heard about this, but this will provide, of course, different solution to you, and it will help you to guard guard you from different viruses. Even if some virus come, it will be scanned and deleted automatically. So you need to have this installed on your computer as soon as possible if you don't have one. We have Avast. Avast is also a well-known antivirus. Many people have used it. Me personally, I use that, and even up to now I use it. The Avast is a popular, you can get a free version, and then we have the premium version. So this gives you a real-time protection against different viruses, spyware, and other type of malware. So this will always, the Avast will always scan your machine to find out if there's any virus which has come. If you find, it gives you a notification, and then you can run a whole system scan or a component scan, and then if maybe find like 1 or 2 viruses, then they will be deleted. So as you have this type of antivirus, I'm very sure your data will be okay. Then we have Avig. Avig antivirus is owned by Avast. It is a product of Avast, and it will also have the free and premium version, and it does almost the same like Avast. Of course, it protects you from viruses which may come via the email addresses, and works hand in hand with the firewall which is installed on your network. So we need to also have this type of antivirus in order to protect our information. Then we have another tool which is called the Windows Defender. This comes in with the Microsoft window, with the Windows operating system. Every time you buy a machine and it's a Windows machine, it comes with this Windows Defender. So the Windows Defender is inbuilt. It's inbuilt antivirus for all Windows operating system. When I talk of operating system, ladies and gentlemen, you should not get confused. We have the 3 types of softwares. We have the system software, we have the application software, and then we have utility softwares. The system software, these are softwares which perform the overall, which it controls everything which is inside the computer. It's like the brain in a human being. And an example is the Windows. So it means when you have the Windows on your machine, it is the one that will direct, or which will tell the hardware what to do. Then the application softwares, this one, they do specific tasks, like you have Adobe Master Correction, you have the Microsoft Office, you have all there are millions and millions of application softwares. Then we have utility softwares. This also perform specific kind of activities within the computer, like the drivers and so on. So when you buy a computer and you want to learn Windows on it, the moment you install Windows or Microsoft Windows, you will have an inbuilt antivirus which is called Windows Defender, and this will always help you to protect you about any viruses, ransomware, and other types of threats which comes by your way. So as I finish the advice I can give you, of course we have looked at the different types of antiviruses you can have. You need to select one, should not have 2 or 3 installed at the same time. You need to select one, always make sure it's up to date and it is strong. If you're using a free version, you need to be careful where you get this free version. Some viruses can duplicate themselves, especially when you go to download on the internet. They tell you this antivirus, kumbe, it's a what? It's a virus. So you need to make sure that you get a proper antivirus. I would prefer that you spend some little money and get the premium version, which is going to help you protect your information. So have one antivirus on your machine, and once you have that, you will be sure that your data will be protected for a long period of time. But remember, as you have this antivirus, don't forget to use other methods of data protection. Set password on the data that you think is very important. Use the encryption algorithm. If you don't know how to use encryption, we can give you the lesson, we can actually guide you on how to set encryption keys. Just go to TikToks and send us a message via our contact form on the website. We shall help you with the encryption. Encryption is a mechanism whereby you convert data into something which cannot be read by any person until that person have a decryption key. So we can help you to do that. And then make sure you also have the firewalls installed on your network. Make sure that you don't just open any link which comes on your email, and you need to understand the surrounding near you, and also have to respect the rules and regulations which govern data privacy in your country where you're operating. Don't just go and use other people's data or play with it. And also have the data insurance, especially if you are dealing with finance, and in case of any loss, the people are going to make losses, especially you're dealing with like maybe you have a bank or you're dealing with any financial institution. You need to have the insurance in the case of data loss, which is going to inflict a big loss. Then you are insured.